Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix pages not available right now on your Instagram account. So if you're facing this kind of issue, let me show you guys how can you fix this problem in your iPhone, iPad or any other iOS device. So first of all, close the page from here and open the setting app in your iPhone. So now scroll down and find general. So here again scroll down and tap on date and time. So here make sure that your date and time is set on automatically. As you can see, this is toggle off and the also date is wrong here. So here you have to toggle on set automatically date, and now go back and tap on background app refresh. So here you have to find the Instagram account. So as you can see, here is the Instagram account. So and also background app refresh is turn off. So here you have to select Wi-Fi and mobile data. So now go back and check your problem has been solved or not. So if you have solved your problem, so as you can see here it's working right now. My Instagram is working right now. So you can see here, if your problem has not solved, then open the app store, and here you have to search the Instagram account. So here you have to search the Instagram app. So if here latest update is available, so update your Instagram account. So if you have any problem, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.